In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Byteful Proxy in AdsPower. We'll walk through the full setup process in a simple, clear way so you can connect your proxy correctly and make sure everything is working before you save the profile. First, log into your Byteful dashboard and open the proxy zone you want to use. From there, copy the proxy details you'll need for the setup. These include the proxy host, the port, the username, and the password. The host is the server endpoint, and depending on your plan, it may be a residential or mobile endpoint. It's a good idea to keep these details handy so you can paste them directly into AdsPower without typing errors. Next, open AdsPower. Once the app is launched, go to the top left corner and click New Profile. This will open the profile creation window where you'll configure the browser and network settings for that profile. Now scroll down until you find the proxy section. In that area, switch the setting to Custom. This tells AdsPower that you want to manually enter a specific proxy instead of using a default or automatic option. After that, enter your proxy details. Start by selecting the proxy type. In most cases, this will be HTTP or SOCKS 5, depending on what your Byteful proxy supports and what you prefer to use. Then paste the proxy host and port into the correct fields. After that, enter the proxy username and password exactly as provided in your dashboard. Accuracy matters here, because even a small mistake can prevent the connection from working. Once everything is entered, click Check Proxy. AdsPower will test the connection by pinging the Byteful server. If the setup is correct, you should see a successful result along with the assigned IP address and its location. That confirmation lets you know the proxy is active and ready to use. Finally, review your browser settings, then click OK to create and save the profile. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Byteful proxy in AdsPower.